Hi, my name is Rachel Fambro, and I am your professor for your EDTE 4200 course. In this video, I will show you how to make a copy of your TechQuest tracking sheet and share your TechQuest tracking sheet so that anyone with the link can view, which is required because anyone with the link needs to be able to view everything in your TechQuest webpage. So to track what is in your TechQuest webpage, we will need to each have a copy of a TechQuest tracking sheet. So first, you'll need to locate your syllabus and go to page 9 because on page 9 there is a link to the TechQuest tracking sheet. Here we are on page 9. Over to your left, you will see an option that says line 4, make a copy of the TechQuest tracking sheet. You will click on this hyperlink. Once you do, a preview of what you will be directed to appears. Select that image. A new tab will open next to the tab that was previously open on your syllabus. On the new tab, you will have a TechQuest tracking sheet. However, this is mine. It's not yours. You'll need to make your own copy. To do so, first go to the top left-hand side where it says File, select File, select Make a Copy, and you will be prompted to rename the copy of your TechQuest tracking sheet. Here, delete the words copy of, because this is not a copy of, it is actually yours. Also, delete the words first name and last name. Replace the word last name with your actual last name, mine is Fambro, and the word first name with your actual first name, mine is Rachel. Once you've done so, select Make a Copy. Your copy will appear now in a new tab, and you are not complete. This task is not done. So to complete the task, you will have to ensure that myself as the professor and anyone with the link can view this tracking sheet. To ensure anyone with the link can view for this tracking sheet and for anything else you make in Google, this will be required. You will locate the share icon in Sheets. It is to the top and right. I will select share. And then once I do so, I will locate the word general access. Under general access, a notification will appear to let me know if access is restricted or access is allowed. Here, access is restricted. For none of our Google documents should this be the case. So we will need to change it by selecting the downward caret and changing the word to anyone with the link. Now, anyone with the link is populated. You can see the icon has changed from a lock to a globe, meaning that globally this file is available. And anyone with the link, what can those people with the link do? Well, in this case, they can view. We want people to view, not edit our tracking sheet. So now I'll select done, and my tracking sheet is complete. Now, anyone who views the tracking sheet will be able to access it. Only I will be able to edit the tracking sheet. And I edit the tracking sheet once each item within the tracking sheet is complete. For example, if I already created a Google account to complete my Google level 1 certification, I will now go to the drop down next to this task, select yes, and you will see the amount of points, 10, is populated here with points accumulated. If I've also created a web page, I will select the drop down arrow and select yes. Here it notes that doing this task is worth 20 points. So when I select yes, it populates points accumulated with 20 in addition to the original 10 and shows that 2 tech quests have been completed for a total of 30 points accumulated. I, as the professor, when grading your work, will reference this tracking sheet and confirm that all tasks are completed. If it's not noted on the tracking sheet, and you've completed it, I will not be able to assign points for it. Vice versa is true as well. If it's noted here as complete and I do not see evidence in your web page, I will not be able to assign points for it. My hope is that this video has been helpful for you in showing you how to 1, make a copy of your TechQuest tracking sheet, 2, how to rename your TechQuest tracking sheet, 3, how to change the sharing permissions so anyone with the link can view, and 4, showing you how to mark items that are complete and how that accumulates in points and number of quests completed. Please give me a call, email me, or message me in Canvas if you have any questions.